Let's go for it.
Do you think that there might be an issue? Like a medical issue?
No,
You sneezed 15 times.
I did. Yeah, I did.
And they were over a minute apart.
I didn't realize you heard me. I was upstairs thinking.
Mate, it shook the house.
Yeah.
You shook the house with them. It was thunderous.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it was a bit of a doom loop because I would sneeze, blow my nose, and then something was going up my nose when I was blowing the nose, and it would then create this economic doom loop like Gary Stevenson's in charge of the economy. It was rough. Yeah, it was rough.
I don't think I've ever sneezed that much in my entire life. And also I think this is you struggling with not having a girlfriend in the house.
Yeah, that's a nightmare. Yeah, I do.